She was helping my dad do claim make a stop sign every day and just cut it down social media. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest. As you guys can tell, this is my twin sister, Kaylin. Hey. And today I did her makeup. Well, basically, I don't want to say I turned her into me because technically we already look alike. But I did our makeup the same. I don't know if you want to look up there. Oh, because you were looking over there the whole time. I was looking over there. We're having the same makeup look. And in today's video, you guys are going to see me do her makeup. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned. Hey guys, so I have my sister. And I'm going to start off by priming her with the P. Louise base in the shade 5. Okay, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and the first color I'm taking out of here is the dark purple. I'm taking the Tribe palette, and I'm taking the very dark green on this side. So for my transition color, I'm taking the orange out of the Zulu palette as well to blend out the purple. I'm gonna go back into some green, dark green and purple to blend it up a little more. And that could pay. Kinda. Hold on, let me blend this color right quick. So look how close I am on their face. This is why I can't record, because I be like, because I can't see. I'm gonna use some more of the dark green to blend out the harsh lines real quick. I wanted to tell like what we was passionate about. I was like, I'm not passionate really about anything. Oh, me either. I don't know, I'm in school, but Somebody did say that. She was like, I'm not really headed in like a certain field yet. I mean, like a certain track.
That's how I feel.
I was like, I'm passionate about animals because it was a zoology class and Max was laying there and she was just like, I want to see y'all animals. I was just like, I'm very passionate about animals. I was like, I have a special place in my heart for animals. No good I'm lying. I mean, I like dogs, but I'm not like passionate about dogs or like animals. I'm taking my Warrior palette. I'm just taking like this nude shade from over here. I did this look before and I was oh my gosh, wait. When you said that, I took a deep breath. You think it's gonna pick up in the mic? Okay, y'all, so I was like, when you said it, so it's probably gonna be in the background. I'm gonna use my Fenty Hydrating Primer. I actually don't know if this audio sounds good. I probably should have put the mic on my shirt. I used the Milani foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Yeah, use my nails. I made it look crazy. What shade do you usually use to highlight? I don't. So right quick, I'm gonna add some of the Beauty Bakery like right underneath her eyes. Mine almost gone. This is a $20 concealer. I only used it like twice and it's gone. But I'm gonna put this right underneath her eyes, just because it gives like a really smooth look. And then I'm gonna take the ColourPop concealer. This one is in Dark 42. And yeah, before I blend it, I'm gonna contour her with Sokoto from Juvia's Place. Y'all saw what she just did. People be like, oh my god. Their lips. I'm like, can you move your lip, please? I kind of want to use my this one because it's like not. Is this powder white? Dang, let me get a powder. Dang, let me get a powder. But I need you to like really like look up. You ain't gotta look like that. You can really do it. I probably look stupid right now. Okay, you can't do it right now because I can't get you. Yeah, I'm using the Laura Mercier. I hate this new Real Technique sponges because they're not as like squishy. Like these feel more bouncy now, and I don't like that. See, like you crease right here too. I crease on the other side of my face. I only crease on one side. And that's exactly why I stopped using powder and stuff. Because I remember I would put foundation there, but then like when I would put powder on top, it would make me crease. It still crease, yeah. But it don't crease when I just put the foundation stick there. Okay, I'm gonna bronze her with the Glow bronzer from Makeup Revolution. This one's in the shade medium. I don't think it ever focused, but yeah. Did you ever charge me to do my face? No. Okay. In the future, I'm gonna have makeup done. I know what you get charged is if it's like a whole wedding and you want me to do your when you get the bridesmaid and everything. Oh, obviously I wouldn't. I feel like that'd be a scam. Like just because you're really honest with you to do everybody's face for free. I gotta pay for that. Somebody gotta pay. Where is a brush? This is right here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just bronze her, not bronze. I'm gonna contour her nose right quick. Do some of the dark green underneath the bottom, and I might add some of the light one too. I'm gonna set her with the Morphe setting spray. Yeah, I lined her lips with the espresso lip liner. I don't even know if y'all saw it. I don't know at what point it stopped recording. But she's gonna add some clear lip gloss. And then I'm gonna tap a little bit of cookie butter from NYX. I'm gonna take this color right here out of the Warrior palette and highlight her face. What am I doing? Yep. Wait, is it good? Yeah. I don't know if you got a thumbnail. Okay, you guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more videos featuring my twin.